Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a 2013 Chevy Traverse here, and this is gonna work for all the Traverses this generation. Same thing for GMC Arcadias. And yeah, so what I'm doing here today is I'm replacing the power steering pump. And so the procedure, when I looked it up, it says that you have to go through the bottom and remove the exhaust. Remove this exhaust. I tried to do that, but this was too rusty. Here I'm gonna show you, these bolts were too rusty. When I tried to get them out, I broke them. You can see how I broke the bolt. So what I wanna show you here is, by the way, I already got the new pump in. And the way you do this is on the driver's side, I mean on the passenger side. You come to the passenger side, you remove the wheel, and the key here is that you're gonna have to disconnect the this is your what do you call it, this is your inner and outer tie rod. I had to disconnect the inner and outer tie rod from here so I can get enough clearance to be able to get my hand in here to remove those two 15mm bolts that are holding the power steering pump. You can see I already got the new power steering pump in it. Once you remove that, once you remove the inner and outer tie rod end, the next thing you want to do is you want to remove the motor mount. There is a motor mount here. I already got it out. It's right here on the ground. And while I'm there, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace that motor mount as well. Here I'm gonna show you, this is the old pump. Here is the old pump, you can see it here. So yeah, I just want to give you a quick tip. You know, it makes it way easier than having to fight it from the bottom and all that stuff like the procedure said. So this will be a very easy way for you to get it out. You got plenty of room. You're gonna have to like work your way through here in order to get that pump out. But once you get that motor mount out and you're able to get the inner and outer tie rod in, it's gonna free up plenty of space for you here to work with. So yeah, that's kind of like the reason why I was making this video. If you want to do this, I'm a professional mechanic. I'm charging about $650 part and labor to replace this. If you ever decide to do this and save yourself some money, you totally can. Don't go through the bottom because it's gonna be a lot of work for you. This makes it way easier. So yeah, if you ever want to do it, contact me, send me a message through YouTube here, and I can help you out on the step-by-step. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to the channel and ask me any question you want.